Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to reset the maintenance required light on your Toyota Camry. First, you put the key into the ignition. You turn it to on position. Do not start it. Then this button here, you push it until you get to trip A here. Push it one time, that's trip A, and then now you push it and hold it to put it to 0. Once you reach that point, you put the key back to the original position, like you turn off the engine. Then you push this button down and you hold it down, and then you turn the engine back to the on position. You put the key in and you turn it to 1 and then 2 on the on position, and then you release the button. Now I'm gonna push this button and hold it down. Then turn the ignition to on. That means keep the key in, turn it to position 1 and position 2. Leave it on position 2. Do not start the car. Hold it down. You see it's blinking. 0, 0. It's reset. Now the maintenance required light, it's gone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.